y'all, welcome back. It's Tasha here with the Slayglam April unboxing. It's May 11th. I literally just got the bag. I wanted to film it so I could put it up for y'all tomorrow, but it actually is the April bag with all of the pandemic and everything going on. Unfortunately, it was significantly delayed. So I will jump into that in just a minute, but please, if you guys are interested, I do unboxings, I do makeup try-ons, and I will incorporate some fit, fashion, lifestyle stuff on this channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. It would make such a big difference. Like and comment as well. That would really, really help me. And so without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. And it really is actually a bag. So last month when I got my Slayglam bag for the month of March, we did that unboxing earlier, and I'll link that down below for the video, but it actually did not come in anything but like a pink package mailer, and it was really a pretty color, but no box, no information about it, anything. So this one actually comes in a cute little packaging. I know with the reflection it's hard to read that, but it's Slayglam box, and there are little handles on it. It's not hard, but it is super cute. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what we got. I am opening this with y'all, so I'm excited to see what's in here. I do have to say, with the products that I got from my last month, I actually am very impressed. They tend to be more indie brands or brands that are not mainstream, so you'll get some ones like Glam Light was the palette that we got, although I do know a lot of people know about that brand. It actually was really good. The face palette was one that I don't know the brand at all, but I love their face palette. It's what I'm wearing today. Absolutely loved it. I have the Glam Light palette on my eyes as well. Really, really liked it. Did not so much like the eyeliner, but everything else was really good. So first thing we got here is a pretty palette. It's the Royalty palette, an eye-catching palette containing 50 highly pigmented eyeshadows. It is vegan and cruelty-free, which I love. It's another Glam Light palette. So super cool. Really like the other one. If I can actually get it out of the box. Oh my goodness. It is like, oh wow, there we go. Okay, it was in there. So here's the outside. Oh, I love the purple. Purple's my favorite color, so that's the outside. And then here is the inside. Beautiful, interesting shadows. This one right here is actually a little bit broken already, but it doesn't look bad. So let's go ahead, since I put my finger in that one, let's go ahead and swatch that one. So here's inside of that swatch. It's a yellowy goldy. Oh wow, that's beautiful. And actually really smooth. This goal getter is super interesting. It's like a green, but then there's a different colored reflect in it. Oh, it is a soft glitter. Here, let's swatch that one. Oh my goodness gracious. That is like green, 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 and it is glitter. That is, oh, that's glitter. And let's swatch Reina. It's this beautiful burgundy color that looks kind of hot pinkish, and that is going to be some hot pink eyeshadow. What would help if I put the swatch in? So pretty. I like the other Glam Light palette, so I'll be excited to try that. So we'll set that aside. So that's the first product. Next product that we got is a blush, a Sheer Glow blush in the shade Coquette by Per Se Mineral Cosmetics, in a cute little compact. There isn't a mirror, but there is, oh, my bag just fell. Nice hard compact. I do like the color. And it says it's, I have glitter everywhere. It says it's a glowy blush, but it looks very satin to me. So let's go ahead. I'm going to swatch it here so we keep it away from the eyeshadows. And that is beautiful. There is a little bit of a sheen to it. It doesn't look like it in the compact, but there definitely is on my hand. Beautiful kind of pinky mauve color. I really like that. So excited to try that. You can get the bag that just fell. Next product that we have is a Pinpoint LED tweezers by Caitlin. And Caitlin was the brand that I was not super fond of. That was the eyeliner and the Eye Balm Base. I did use the Eye Balm Base again, and it is growing on me, but it is still very, very emollient. And this, oh my goodness gracious. So you can see the LED light. There's a little button on the side that you click to turn it off and on. And they are pretty sharp tweezers. My only concern is that they're very stiff and very big. So I don't know how that would work around the eyes, but certainly I will try that. Always in need of some good pair of tweezers. So that's the next thing, the LED tweezers from Caitlin. So we're 3 products in so far. Let's check out what else we have in this bag. There is a, ooh, Illuminati gel paint eyeliner, and they're in 2 different colors. There's one in electric pink and one in electric blue. That's exciting. So eyeliners always come in all kinds of subscription bags, but usually they end up being black. So super excited that these are different colors, and the writing on the pencils is in the color that it's in. So there's a hot pink on this one, and then there's that pretty electric blue or darker blue on this one. You can't really see it on this one very well. And so let's go ahead and swatch these. Oh, they're nice and creamy. They are beautiful. And then this pink one we'll swatch next to the blush. Oh, that is some pink, pink, pink. These are supposed to be eyeliners, so we'll see. That will be super cool. Maybe in the waterline or something like that. We'll have to try those with the palette. How exciting. Okay, so there's 4 products in, and the next product in here is a big container, hard. It's Party Pink Vivid Matte Liquid and Matte Lipstick. So it looks like there's 2 products. It's 24-hour. This is the same brand, that OKALAN, which I am not even going to attempt to say because I have no idea. But this is the same as that face palette that I really liked. Let's see if I can actually get this open. Super cute little wine bottle, and then a little bullet lipstick kind ofness going on. And so let's go ahead and pull these out. So this is the matte bullet lipstick that's first. I'm having a hard time. Everything's going to fall. Oh, and it is in a beautiful color. Very nude. I know it's coming up much pinker on the camera, but a very nude color here. So I'm going to actually swatch it on this hand because I'm running out of room on the other hand. That is pretty. It looks more nude in the tube, but on my hand it comes up a much pinker lipstick. So we'll see. I'm not sure whether that'll be too dry or not. And then they have this cute little wine bottle that is actually the liquid lipstick. So actually literally wine bottle. Same exact color, so we'll swatch that next to the other lipstick. Very pretty. And so you can see much pinker than I anticipated. I was thinking it was a lighter color, but that kind of matches that cap, so I don't know if that's intentional or not, but a very pink color. The liquid lipstick actually feels really nice. The bullet lipstick already super dry on my hand, so I think that'll be very dry on the lips. So we'll have to see what that's like. So all 5 products there, super cool. Okay, so instead of putting it in the description box, I actually went and looked them up real quick, and we'll add them up. And let me just talk about Slayglam, in case you guys are not familiar, is a monthly beauty subscription you can do by month, 3 months, 6 months, of course. It is about $24, and you will get 5 to 7 products with a minimum value of $100. So really quick, let's go through as I add everything up. The Glam Light palette was $25. The blush was $12.99. The eyeliner in duo form was $28 for both of them. Then the tweezers were difficult to find a price because everywhere was sold out, but it looks like they're right around $15. And then the lipstick was $9.99. So not even $100 for this box, $90.98. Again, some of those prices could be a little off, so it might end up being retail price right around $100 a box. I do have to say, like I said before, really enjoyed the products from the last Slayglam box. So I'm hoping that I enjoy several of these. Super excited about the eyeliners to try those, and we'll do a try on Friday along with my premium BoxyCharm try on, kind of combine those two together. I do have to say it is a smaller company, so it seems like there are always significant shipping delays. So if you do subscribe, don't expect it to get as timely as Ipsy or as BoxyCharm. They definitely ship a lot slower. And then these are going to be more indie or off brands, not main brands that you're going to see normally. So if that's something you're interested in, that may be the subscription box for you. Again, like I said, we'll try everything on Friday along with the premium BoxyCharm, so I'm super excited for that. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Please stay safe. Please help each other, take care of each other right now with all this craziness, and I look forward to seeing y'all on Friday. Have a good day. Bye.